People?
Hey, people.
Yep.
Broken flash.
Knock.
Ulting. Nice. Batting.
What the fuck?
Oh my god.
Help him.
Trying to. Knocked one.
Okay, come back.
Missing.
Scanning. They're rezzing. Nice job.
This guy got shit on so fast.
Yeah. Alright, I have my ult. Alright, go.
One team dead, fast, other team. Down! Heal up.
Oh fuck, he's over here.
I downed one.
Last one behind here. I did 30 flash to him. On the right side, solo. The rezzing left.
Knock. There isn't.
Nice, full dead.
Oh my god! The only one guy left.
That's
Josh.
it.
Yeah. Climb! Oh my god, I want to climb. I'm dead.
Why?
I fell off. I couldn't climb up the left side. You can't climb there apparently. Oh my god, my audio is so fucked.
At high ground.
They flew on us. Watch out! Go to Krollo. Play here.
I cracked him.
We have to play this edge of the wall. Right here. They're all up there. Jibby's almost dead.
One guy here, one guy. I don't have bullets.
Here.
I got knocked. Play this corner. Right here on Andreas. Go to Andreas.
Team dead.
Go to Andreas.
One team left. I don't have bullets.
They're on the wall. They're above you. Don't do anything silly.
I need fucking bullets.
We have light a lot.
I knocked one with a fucking vertical knife.
Go up if you can. Shoot the Valk.
Down.
Nice.
One knock.
That's it.
One left. I'm reloading.
Up on them together. Beautiful. Do a finisher.
No, the zone's coming.
Do a finisher. I canceled their ult.
Nice.
Why?
I don't know. Yeah. We have to play this, okay? I almost knocked the fuse. Pathy almost dead. I knocked Pathy. I need you guys to cover. I need to heal. Cover. Popping ult. Ready? Go left. Go now. Ready? Go.
Jump pad, you guys.
Play this bin. Scanning. On the right. You see that?
Low knock.
Nice.
Look at him.
Superlight.
I cracked him. He's
On our
dead.
left.
Oh, right here.
Close.
Rising here. Close. He's low.
I stuck
He's
him.
cracked.
Down.
Yeah, he's dead,
down,
he's dead,
down,
nice.
batting.
Right here. Two guys.
Coming on the roof.
He's bubble fighting. He's flash. They're reporting. Oh shit, I almost took report. I'm filling up on them.
Knock.
I knocked the Wraith.
Only give it left. Only come get KP. Come get KP. I'm not killing.
Yeah, coming. Bro. I can't believe this.
Come
Let me
on.
get KP.
Shoot him. I'm not killing him.
Oh, he's so low. I need to heal, guys. The other team was shooting me.
These guys are bricked. Here, you can take his ammo.
Here, he went
Oh,
here.
thank
He went here.
Hold on.
One's
Okay.
behind us. Oh, he's dead.
Hey, Ryzen.
Finish this.
I'm gonna go on the roof, okay?
Inside here. I stunned one. Let's go up the roof, yeah.
Knocked.
Oh no.
Last team, 2 guys.
Okay, no, they have a caustic. Don't push.
Don't push.
Caustic.
I'm going up, I'm gonna get back up. I'm fine.
Cracked him.
Oh, it's a Gibby.
He's low. Vonk knock. Gibby knock. Low. Holy shit, I fucking destroyed them in the end.
Nice.
On the left, pushing hard. And
We need to fight this team.
yeah, team. Oh, cracked, big crack.
Play it
Push if you
slow. Play it slow. You need to heal. Scanning.
We're gonna get griefed. Cracked one guy.
Okay, play super slow.
Oh, griefed by those fucks. Almost knocked this guy.
I'm batting. Can you guys come to me, actually?
Yeah,
Are
I
you
can.
safe? You chilling?
No, we're not chilling. Definitely not chilling.
Come to me then. Come to me. Let them fight. Come over here.
Oh,
Let
we're
them
chilling.
fight.
We're chilling now, but we're fucked. I got no bats. Only
Yeah,
missiles.
come on.
I'm just.
Okay, I'm ulting.
On the left. Oh my god. Oh, we're between squads. There's no way, man.
Yeah, you're good. Just watch each other. There's no way that team's gonna push into you. Coming to you. Get on top. Right here. Get on top here.
For sure, yeah. Oh, we're good here. We're good.
They're fighting. Push.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a rat here. Behind you, rat.
Fuck, man. Yeah.
He's trying to finish for armor swap. Don't let him finish.
Yeah,
Brief
kill
him,
this guy if
brief
you
him,
can.
brief him.
He's probably solo only. Yeah, second place. Okay, nice.
Nice.
Nice. Good shit.
Good hit.
Yeah,
They're gonna fight.
They're fighting the other team.
Oh yeah. Portable.
Oh, go. They knocked him. That's the Mastiff knock.
Coming up. I stunned one. Oh, I stunned two on the roof.
Knock one. I knocked two.
Knock.
Nice, good shit.
He's over here.
Where? I hit him a lot.
I'm chasing you.
Oh, another team coming.
Kurla, come with us. Come with us.
Oh, you need help. I need help. Nice.
I got you.
Oh, there's another team. Okay.
Armor, get out.
Oh, go back.
Right here.
Those guys are looking at you. Those guys are.
Kurla, come to us now. Run. We just have to keep the teams fighting each other.
Yeah, sure. Nice spot. 14, 60.
Ulting.
Of damage here. 90, red.
I'm dead.
No, you can just res. I'm gonna res.
No, you res. You have gold bag.
You're chilling. You're chilling.
What the fuck? Oh.
They sending.
Can you res me? Can you res me?
You rise me.
Yeah,
Gold bag me.
I can.
Do it. Oh, Kurla, go fight. Get on the ship and fight. Get on the ship.
Yeah, we should send it down. No, we're chilling. We're
Batting?
chilling. We're chilling.
There's one
I
in
can't
this,
believe they
in this ship. One is this
Yeah,
ship.
I know. He's dead. He's dead. He's fucking dead.
I have 6
We're
bullets.
just gonna.
How
keep
did they
them up.
not? I thought that was it.
No way, man.
All right, just chill. Don't take damage. Don't take damage. Don't take damage. The fuck are they doing?
What? He's inside? Oh, shit.
Yeah. Just chill.
But we got the zone.
Yeah, chill. They finished him? It's last 2. 10 seconds until scan. 5 seconds. Can you queue that?
Yeah. No, not yet. 3 seconds.
Okay,
Hey, took the jump. I jump out. I knocked him.
idiot.
Nice. Almost cracked.
Watch here.
Last on this side.
Batting.
He shield swap.
Got it. Oh, on the right. Here.
The one on the right's a good one.
Crack.
Me too.
Okay, shit. Sending inside.
I was gonna punch him out.
Good shit.
That was
amazing.
great.
Dude, I put a jump out wherever he was walking. He just took like I timed him perfectly timed. Jump out. I feel so bad for him.
Crazy rotation, but we got this spot for free.
Yeah, that's last squad. Go, he's gonna rest.
No. Last 2 squads.
It's last 2 squads.
Yeah, they're raising.
One drop down. 2 drop down here. Guys, watch down. Watch bottom.
I'm burning them hard. They bubble raising here.
Alright, you guys fight that team. I'm watching this team.
Raising.
Oh, coming to you.
Too locked. Push. I push this, man.
With you.
Got him. Dead.
Exactly.
Next team. They're coming up.
Okay, I'm going left. Here. Behind. There are 2 of them only, but they are sweating, I think.
Yeah, they are. We still have high ground.
They're very
They tried to
sweating,
kill
dude.
me.
One crack. Two crack. Well,
Just hold position. They have to come to
I'm
us.
gonna shut down him with this nade.
Did you? Yeah, play top. They can't fuck with us.
I'm gonna
10
get
seconds
some
and then they have to come. The only thing they can do is kidnap.
Fuck,
Someone play on top of this.
There is no fuck.
44 on 1. They have to heal.
Popping a syringe. Okay, let's fuck them up.
They have Kraber. Don't get knocked. Wait for it to close. Look, they're peeking.
Oh, sorry.
Behind us.
Yeah.
Splash.
Yeah. I'm taking angles on the left.
Broken. Nade.
Cracked.
Wait, slow.
You knocked him?
No.
Oh, favored.
Don't get knocked.
Popping about. Cute. On me.
Nice.
Oh, that was actually
Easy.
good play from them.
They're ulting on us. On me. Here.
Down.
I'm holding this focus in there.
The ulted us,
Batting?
you can play here. There's a shield swap here if you need.
Trying to bat.
I'm holding those guys.
I'm slow as fuck. Woo!
Here!
Batting.
2 teams.
Scanning.
14. Oh,
Hello?
oh, they have two of them only. Send them.
Okay, go. Send it.
Auto is. Oh, here. Very low. Cross the kill, under.
Okay, pass. Nice. 1v1. try to bite his ankles.
Yeah. On top.
He fell off.
Oh my
Nice.
god!
Shit, man.
You fucked him
Good
up.
shit.
Oh, that was so fucking stressful.
Good shit.
Yeah, they were sending only 2 of them.
Can you move up here?
I don't have light.
Wait,
Can
wait,
anyone
wait,
give me
wait.
a
Look at
light?
this, look at this.
I don't have light. No one has light. Shut up.
Yeah, I have a little bit. I have a little
Like he has light and fucking give me
Here.
some.
Knocked. Scanning.
Broken?
bit.
Nice.
On me, on me.
Walk up, walk up, walk up.
On me. Yeah.
Coming.
Stay slow. On me, I'm dying. Okay, someone
Hey.
suffers.
Nice.
Oh my god.
Come on, give me light. We don't have
Like,
light.
I don't have anything.
There's
I'm
so
looking
much
at
going on, man.
I'm
Someone has
telling
light.
you, I have 350 heavy. I will give you all the heavy in my inventory. It will not help you.
I was so focused for a second here.
Oh my god. I think you're master now? Was that enough points?
I think so. I got leader. We won. I got damage.
Yeah, I was a fucking tourist with my car. We couldn't get a flat line at all.
Oh, you master. GG.
You want to switch?